SaaS startup. What is software as a service? How is it different from other tech startup business models? Why is it hot on the market right now? All these questions I will answer in this video episode, and at the end of this video I will tell you how you can benefit from SaaS startup trend within your business. So watch it till the end. Hi, my name is Vitaliypodoba and I'm the CEO of a software development agency named SoftFormance, and I help business owners build and launch profitable software products. I'm talking to a dozen first-time software founders every week on sales calls, on our agency software startup workshops, on local meetups, and I see there is a common misunderstanding of what the SaaS term means exactly. People usually call SaaS anything technology related. Any kind of software or hardware, be it installed on premise or provided online, regardless of its business model. So I want to start this episode by clarifying what SaaS actually is. A lot of years ago, the only way for you to benefit from some technical product was to install it directly on your computer, right? But these days are gone, and now you just have your operating system like iOS or Windows or macOS built into your laptop or mobile device, and a web browser like Chrome or Internet Explorer, and that's all you need. Everything else you can access without any local installation, right? You just launch your web browser, and actually I never close it. Open a new tab in your browser and enter the URL of that service or software you want to use, log in, and that's it. This is what SaaS product means. SaaS stands for software as a service. Software part means here that this product has some technology in it which provides core value to you as a user of this product. And service means that you kind of rent it out. You don't own it. As long as you pay for it, usually on monthly basis, you can access it and use it. So these are key criteria for any SaaS startup or SaaS product. First of all, it's hosted in the cloud, not installed locally in most cases, at least not the main server. It can be accessed via web browser, as already mentioned, or via mobile app. A SaaS product is also licensed on subscription basis, usually monthly or annually. And finally, any SaaS product's core value is provided to you via some technology, some code, some software, usually without much human labor involved. Good examples of SaaS products that you might use or your employees might use within your business are FreshBooks for bookkeepers, Mint.com for personal finance management, Pipedrive CRM for sales reps, ClickFunnels for digital marketers, Bamboo HR for recruiters, Jira or Basecamp for project management, Canva, Photoshop, Figma for your designers, Slack, Dropbox, Gmail, and Zoom for everybody else. Most of these products you can use via web interface with your web browser or as a mobile app. Also, in the description below this video, I will drop you a link to our Google document with advanced list of all existing SaaS products for business in every category you can imagine. Now, what is not a SaaS? As I already mentioned, one-time purchase software which you need to install locally is not SaaS, usually is not SaaS. You don't rent it, you buy it once and you own it after that. Also, there is no service part in it. You just bought the product one time and you just use it. What other types of online services and software products are not SaaS? You know, since 2011 in our agency we built about 200 software products, and all of them I can put into basically three buckets: social networks, online marketplaces, and SaaS products. What are not SaaS? Facebook or Instagram, they are social networks, they are not SaaS. Shopify or Amazon.com, these are not SaaS, these are online marketplaces. Why online marketplaces and social networks are not SaaS? There are basically two reasons. First of all, you don't pay anything there, any kind of subscription. You pay transaction fees sometimes, or you don't pay at all. Unless you're using paid ads on Facebook, right? Second reason why they are not SaaS products, this not SaaS model, because there is no specific software component that is useful for you in your business on its own. These services provide connection between people, between you and the other side, which makes that software, that service useful for you, but not the software itself. You would never use social network like Facebook or marketplace like Amazon without other people being there. So, right? doesn't make any sense. How SaaS is different? Now, there are a couple of things how SaaS model and SaaS products are different from all previous types of tech startups and products that been before. There are a few benefits for the end user and a few benefits for the SaaS founder. Let me start with the end user in mind. First of all, SaaS user does not need to install anything, and that's a big time saver. Also, there are now no huge requirements as to resources on local computer of that user. All resources are on the server, and you can access most SaaS apps online, even from pretty old, weak laptop. So that's a money saver. And finally, users don't have to buy full software licenses up front, like one-time lifetime license, right? You just pay as you go, just month by month. And this month you can pay $10 for 2 employees, and next month your agency or business grows to 10 employees, and for that month you just have to pay $50. And if your business growing more, you just have paying more. So again, that's just money saver. Now, if you want to build and launch your own software, own SaaS, what SaaS model will do for you, what kind of benefits you will get after this. First of all, with SaaS approach, you just need one server where you host database with all your users' data in one place and all the business logic. This way you don't have to do local user installs and do like resource-consuming version upgrades for them. Every time you release a new feature, you just need to update one server, your central server, and there is no need for you to go and visit each client business on site to update all their computers there, right? So SaaS is much easier and cheaper to build and to maintain. Second big reason why SaaS is great for the founder: you can scale your SaaS business worldwide without changing a thing in your infrastructure and without a need to visit other countries. There is no storages, no warehouses, no physical things. You just have same server serving users from different cities and different countries. Also, because of easiness of setup and maintenance and scaling it all, business costs are pretty low with SaaS model. Margins sometimes can be up to 50 to 70%. From what I've seen from our clients. So SaaS products are pretty marginable business. And final benefit for SaaS founder is that unlike social network or online marketplace, it is much easier to grow SaaS product into sustainable business. When it comes to releasing your SaaS product to production, you can get first paying user even on day one. If your software does the math, provides some user stats, allows drawing, painting, bookkeeping, selling, whatever is useful for that business, you will keep that user forever, right? But if you are launching social network online marketplace, you will always have hard challenge to overcome. We call it chicken egg problem. Your app is not useful before it has hundreds or thousands of users using it simultaneously. Now, how you can benefit from the SaaS startup trend? SaaS is growing mainly due to overall technology adoption growth in the world by big and small businesses. 73% of organizations are either switching or planning to switch all their systems to SaaS platforms. Gartner predicts that by the end of this year, 2022, end user spending on SaaS products will reach $489 billion. So we'll have more robots, more software, and more hardware products replacing jobs and human labor. That's why it's a good spot to be in as business owner. And when I'm saying this, I don't just mean buying and integrating existing software, existing SaaS products within your business to make it more productive, which is a good thing, but I'm encouraging you to also think about building and launching your own SaaS products. It's easy like never before, and it will provide you with a nice residual recurring revenue stream within your existing business. And if you would love to further explore an option to launch your own SaaS product, I've got for you another video over here where I'm teaching 3 methods how small business owners can leverage software in their businesses. After that, if you've got an idea and maybe not sure if it will fly and whether people will need it, I've got for you one more video over here, how to generate and validate your SaaS startup idea. There you will get 3-step framework that will guarantee that you build something that people want to buy. Now let's summarize. As you can see, in our agency, me and my team try to generate a lot of free content for our audience and our clients. Apart from this YouTube channel you're watching, we also publish new articles on our blog at softformance.com every Wednesday. It's for small business owners willing to build and launch their own SaaS products. And you know, until a year ago, we've been hiring third-party editing agency for our blog posts. But then we discovered a SaaS product named Grammarly, which provides automated proofreading and text editing tools powered by some unique artificial intelligence algorithm. This is not people doing this. And now, instead of paying hundreds of dollars to that agency per article, we spend less than $10 per month on all our proofreading needs to that Grammarly subscription product. And the quality is almost the same. And this is just one quick example how you can benefit in your business by using SaaS products and also by launching your own SaaSes. You can build it once, set it up on the server, and scale worldwide. And you just need 2 to 3 people on board to provide great customer support, serving thousands of paying users and earning tens of thousands in monthly recurring profits. The formula is pretty simple. Margin is big for SaaS products. And most of the products we build for our clients and our own products as well are SaaS products. And I really love it. Now, if you run a business and you would love to launch your own software, SaaS product, or mobile app, and you would love to get my personal help with it, then leave an application below this video and we will get back to you within 1 working day. Otherwise, just join my Facebook group, Software Founders, and prepare yourself for the tech startup in the best possible way. The link is also below this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel to get notifications about my new videos. See you in the next video, and with that being said, remember, people need your software.